Fix 1. Check network connection. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and check the signal strength. If the network connection is fine but notifications still aren't working, try resetting your network. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset network settings. Fix 2. Check notification settings. Check the iPhone settings. Go to your iPhone's settings, notifications, find Snapchat, make sure allow notifications is enabled. Check in-app notification settings. Open Snapchat, tap your profile icon, tap the gear icon to enter settings, find the notifications option, make sure all notifications are turned on. Fix 3. Disable Do Not Disturb. Step 1. Open Settings. Then tap Focus. Step 2. Check if Do Not Disturb is enabled. If it is, turn off this mode. Fix 4. Clear Snapchat cache. Step 1. Open Snapchat and tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Step 2. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner to go to Settings. Step 3. Scroll down and find the Clear Cache option, then tap Clear. Step 4. After confirming the action, restart the app and check if the issue is resolved. Fix 5. Log out and log back in. Step 1. Open Snapchat and tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Step 2. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner and select Log Out. Step 3. Enter your account information to log back in. Fix 6. Update system or app. Update Snapchat. Go to the App Store or Google Play. Check if an update is available, and install the latest version. Update iPhone system. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, check for updates and install. Fix 7. Reinstall Snapchat. If updating doesn't work, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Snapchat. Step 1. Long press the Snapchat app icon, tap Delete App. Step 2. Go to the App Store or Google Play to re-download and install Snapchat. Step 3. After logging in, check if the notification feature is working properly. Fix 8. Restart device. Not receiving Snapchat notifications may be due to a temporary device malfunction. Restarting the device can clear errors in the memory and restore normal functionality. Fix 9. Use iOS system recovery. If the above methods don't work, the issue may be caused by a system problem leading to Snapchat notifications not working. iOS System Recovery is a professional iOS repair tool that can fix system issues without data loss. Step 1. Download and install the tool on your computer. After installation, launch the program and select iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer and trust the connection. Then, click Start and follow the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode. Step 3. Choose Standard Mode and click Confirm to proceed. The tool will begin downloading the required iOS firmware. Step 4. Once the firmware is downloaded, click Repair to start the repair process. The tool will fix your device and resolve the issue with the Snapchat notifications not showing up. Fix 10. Contact Snapchat. If the issue is still unresolved, please contact Snapchat's official support team for assistance. The Snapchat support team can help you troubleshoot account or app-related issues.